Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. My name is James Olaniyan. I am the project manager, community liaison in the Laboratory of Data Science at Purdue Fort Wayne University. Today, we're going to be talking about an interesting topic: unleashing the magic of data science, what it is, what it does, and why it matters. Let's go straight into the class. Like I told you, welcome everyone again. I welcome you to the world of data science, and let's go and explore immediately. What is data science? Very simple. It's just a study of data, just the way we study health, we study computer science, and it has to do with numbers. Now, data could be in a raw state. It could be in form of numbers. It could be in form of pictures. It could be in form of figures. It could be in form of letters. But the essence of those data is to come out, is to use those numbers, figures, letters to do something. Let's go into what we're going to talk about again. Imagine it's like solving puzzle with numbers. We're using numbers to solve something. We're using numbers to create something. We're using numbers to develop something. And that is the essence of what data science is. How does data science work? It's like a superpower. How does it work? We're going to talk about how it works and where do we see data science. How does it work and where do we see data science? Let's go to the next one. Where do we see data science? Data science can be seen in different places. First, it could be seen in health, in the hospitals. Doctors use data science to predict diseases and make personalized treatment. All right, like I mentioned, it helps doctors to predict diseases. During the pandemic, they had to test some data to be able to come out with vaccines, and that those vaccines can then be used, and it has to be effective. And the next thing I want us to talk about is finance. Banks use it to catch fraud and make smart investment. You can Bankers use it to track trends of fraudsters' activities on customers' accounts, and from there they can be able to arrest them and put them to the and send them to the securities and the police and every other one that or the other set of people that need to know about it. And also we can make smart investment with with data science. That data science helps us to make smart investments. The next thing I'm talking about is retail. We all go online to purchase things online, or even when we go to our stores, either Amazon or Walmart or Kroger, all those places. If I'm online and I want to purchase some things online, um, data science helps us to there's a system on the website that recommends suggestions to you, products that you've already purchased before and products that you probably need at a particular season. And these are the things that data science help out. During the winter, products are going to be suggested to you, recommended to you because of the season we are. During the warm season, the summer is also going to recommend and give you all those products that you don't have to search the whole catalog. Just all those recommendations helps you to make your well informed decisions. Another thing, data science is where we see data science is in transportation. We see them on our road systems. We see them on our railway systems. We see them on in the airport to decide the best route some airplanes needs to go, the ones that are coming in and the ones that are going out, and we're traveling all around the country, the rail systems, so that there's no any form of jam, locking, or any form of collision, or even on our bus stations. You can be able to know the so time a particular bus is coming when it's leaving. Those data science helps you to predict all those things and to be able to decide what you want to do. The next thing is marketing. Marketers or companies use data science to decide what people exactly want. You can't, I mean, you're a owner of a company, you can't just advertise what people don't want. You need to advertise exactly what people want at a particular time and a particular season. Know your market choices, know your market size, and design and bring out all those products that people are willing to buy. Rapidly, why does data science matter? Let's talk about briefly why does data science matter. First, it helps us to make smart choices. Definitely, from those things that we've talked about, is going to help us to make smart choices. With data science, you can make better decisions because we already know what is going on. You already have an idea of what is going on, so it's going to help you make the best and the right best decision. The next thing, it also helps you to discover things. I know when you wake up in the morning, you want to know the weather forecast. Is going to help you to decide, oh, the weather forecast for today is so this time. It's because of data science has been involved. You know, also to predict the weather. Is it going to rain today? Is it going to be sunny? Is it going to snow? You know, also predict the is there going to be earthquake? Is there going to be hurricane? You know, discover new medicines and all the rest. It helps us with new discoveries. It also helps us to save time. All these things consequentially helps us save time. When we know what to do at the right time, we know what to do immediately. Is going to help us to save time. We're not going to be stranded on the decisions we need to make per time. It helps us to make the right decision, and we can make the next line of action as quick as possible. It helps us to. Data science. Why does it matter? We watch Netflix, Amazon Prime. We all know about suggestions. It brings out a catalog of suggestions based on predetermined choices we made. And those predetermined choices we made will suggest, oh, do you really want to watch this pattern of movie? Is it a sci-fi movie? Is it storytelling movie? Is it action movie? Is it any other kind of movie? Is it love story movies and all those things? Is it scary movie? You know, those things helps us to make the right and personalized choices, and helps us to make decisions on time. Lastly, it helps us to stay ahead. We can know what is going to happen. Businesses use data science to predict their what is going to come around in the markets, in the market space, in cryptocurrency, and also with their competitive companies or organization. They can be able to have a higher edge to make the right decisions and to get more profit. So just to wrap it up, what I've said, data science is like a secret weapon to understand the world with numbers. It helps us to make smart choices, find new things, make life better for everyone. And I'm sure you've really had a good time. You've understood one or two things from today's class. Now I have an activity for you. All you just need to do is produce something in your class or wherever you find yourself. Create a table of students, maybe 10 students, their names, random subject, like 3 or 4 subjects. It could be math, English, literacy, science, any other kind of course subject. Give random scores for those subjects for each student. Create another table, another line, another column for total, and from those total you can be able to infer to say, oh, these are the students with the highest grade, these are the students with the lowest grade, and you can do that in either on Excel or Google Sheets. These are the simplest way we can make use of data, and we are exactly working on exploring data science. I hope you've had a good time, and I hope that I'll see you again in next class. But before I go, I want you to know that this class, this work was supported by the Laboratory of Data Science and the Indiana Data Mine Grant, and is supervised by Professor Alessandro Selvitella at Purdue University, Fort Wayne. I remain James Olaniyan, and thank you for your time and attention. I will see you again in next class. Bye.